Clean the car, wash it down, and after that's done, apply some decals. I like anime, and my car is black and white, a Japanese car. I decided to go with, well, Fujiwara Tofu shop private use sticker, and we're gonna put it on my white car, and let's hope it looks good, but it is what it is. We're gonna see how it looks. If it looks funny, we'll just pull it off. There's no worries there. It's a decal and they come off, but it has the black roof, so I mean, some black and white action going on, so it should be fine. We'll see how it looks. I'll only put it on this side because the other side is still a dent. As you can see, there's still a little bit of, well, you really can't see, but there is still some dent action going on the driver door. So we're just gonna put it on the passenger door and test drive it, and if it doesn't look good, I'll just not put it on there and peel this off. There we go. I have lined it up pretty nicely. I am happy with this placement. It is at 2 degrees, and I checked my car is also at 2 degrees, so should be level. There we go. It is on. Only one last step left, which is to remove the transfer paper. And let's get it. From a distance it does look fine, but when you come up closer it's kind of shitty quality, so you can't really see it still on camera, but there's air bubbles, and yeah, this is just not great quality. It does look cool, so we'll leave it on for some time, but is it permanent? No, ain't no way. Well, I guess we'll just leave it on for the time being, because it does look add a little bit more character to the car. I have this neat sticker that I picked up from Dasai, Auto Market, something dress up shop or something like that, but looks pretty cool. It's got the 401st one and level 1. It's like a little membership program which you can level up with time. But we're gonna put it right there to cover up, as you can see, because since we got the aftermarket mirror, not mirror but windscreen, there's a nice logo there, so etched in, so we're gonna just cover it up. It is on there and looks very clean as well. Let's put the wiper down and see how it looks. Well, it's on there, but let's just hope it stays on there as well and doesn't scratch it off. And here I have another sticker from another brand that I enjoy, and that is Overdue in this nice reflective chrome. I'll just put it on my, yeah, that should look pretty nice. It says just the brand name, Overdue Okureru. That is on there and looking real nicely. All that's left is to peel. And look at that. Sheesh! Now it has that very nice chrome look to it if we line it up with the sun. Set, let's see. Looks real neat.